Having visibility into your Google Calendar while it's quietly syncing in the background on BoldTrail is not only a great way to stay on top of your schedule, it optimizes your experience using the Appointments feature in BoldTrail. By connecting your Google Calendar to BoldTrail, you eliminate missed opportunities and stay organized across every interaction. Let's walk through how that works and why it's important. When you sync your Google Calendar into BoldTrail, every appointment, showing, and follow-up you schedule in your Google Calendar automatically appears in BoldTrail. To locate your calendar in BoldTrail, simply click on the Calendar button right on your dashboard page in BoldTrail. When you schedule an appointment using the Appointment feature in the BoldTrail CRM, BoldTrail can now check your availability on your Google Calendar. That means real-time visibility, no double booking, and no missed commitments. Syncing takes just a moment, but it gives you a fully connected workflow that keeps your day on track and your clients moving forward. See just how easy it is to sync your Google Calendar by using the step-by-step guide below this video lesson to sync your Google Calendar with BoldTrail.